Are you frustrated with your weight loss journey, feeling like you've hit a wall that you just can't break through? You're not alone. Many of us have experienced the dreaded weight loss plateau, where despite our best efforts, the scale refuses to budge. But fear not. There's a powerful solution that can kick your progress back into high gear. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT has gained popularity in recent years for its ability to torch calories, boost metabolism, and break through stubborn plateaus. Unlike steady-state cardio, HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity activity. This approach not only burns more calories during your workout, but also keeps your metabolism elevated long after you've finished exercising, leading to greater fat loss over time. So, how exactly does HIIT help crush your weight loss plateau? Let's dive into the science behind it. When you perform HIIT, your body undergoes a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, commonly referred to as the afterburn effect. During the intense bursts of activity, your body uses up its available oxygen and energy stores, forcing it to work harder to replenish them post-workout. This increased metabolic rate can last for hours after your HIIT session, resulting in greater calorie burn even while you're at rest. Moreover, HIIT challenges your body in ways that traditional cardio workouts don't. By alternating between high-intensity intervals and recovery periods, you engage different energy systems and muscle fibers, leading to more significant improvements in cardiovascular fitness and muscle tone. This variety not only keeps your workouts exciting, but also prevents your body from adapting to the same routine, which can stall progress over time. Another key benefit of HIIT is its efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to exercise can be challenging. HIIT workouts are typically shorter than traditional cardio sessions, making them perfect for those with busy schedules. In as little as 20 to 30 minutes, you can complete a full-body HIIT workout that delivers maximum results in minimal time. But perhaps the most significant advantage of HIIT is its versatility. Whether you prefer running, cycling, swimming, or bodyweight exercises, there's a HIIT workout for you. You can customize your routine to target specific muscle groups, increase or decrease intensity as needed, and easily modify exercises to suit your fitness level. This flexibility ensures that you stay engaged and motivated, reducing the likelihood of burnout or boredom. Of course, like any exercise program, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with HIIT. Aim to incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine 2 to 3 times per week, alternating with strength training and rest days for optimal recovery. And remember, while HIIT is incredibly effective for weight loss, it's essential to pair it with a balanced diet and sufficient sleep for best results. So, if you're stuck in a weight loss plateau and looking for a way to break through, give HIIT a try. With its proven ability to torch calories, boost metabolism, and improve overall fitness, HIIT may be just what you need to take your weight loss journey to the next level. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to results with HIIT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.